Hello, y'all. Good morning. I hope everybody had a really great day yesterday, and I hope you're ready for some great learning today. Lord bless you and keep you, you and your families, and I'm missing you terribly, so give me a call. Okay. Um, we will do a spelling test for Dimitri, Claire, Katie, and Neil, but that will be on the writing portion. So right now we're going to do the math. And on your math, you have lesson 123 to do, and it's on pages 245 and 246. So please pull that out of your math book, and let's get started. So the story problem, the first one, Miss Owens has 10 viola students. She has 3 times as many violin students as viola students. She has 1/5 as many cello students as violin students. How many students does she have in all? Okay, this is a 3-step problem. So first of all, there's 10 viola students. 10 viola. Okay, can you read that? I hope so. Barely, but you hopefully. And she has 3 times as many violin as viola, so that would be 10 times 3 would give you the number of violin. So 10 times 3 is 30. Now, she has 1/5 as many cello students as violin, so that would be 30 divided by 5, or 30 times 1/5. So 1/5 of 35 goes how many times into 30? It would be 6. So she has 6 cello students. So how many students in all? So now we have to add the viola students. That's 10 viola, 30 violin, and 6 cello students. So that's 10 plus 30 plus 6 gives us 46 students. So there you go. That one was a 3-step problem. But I know you guys, I know you know how to do your story problems. You'll get this. So 3 steps. Viola to violin. So 10 viola, 30 violin. Then we 1/5 of the violin makes 6 cello. 46 students. So let's go on. Number 2 is also a story problem. So let's see what that one's all about. How much would 6 yards of material cost if the price is $9 per yard? That's a 1-step problem, and I know you know how to do that one. So $9 a yard times 6 yards. Put the 6 over here. 0, 0, and how much is 6 times 9? I'm going to let you figure that one out, but make sure that you put your answer in dollars and cents sign, okay? Now, as you know, on the days that we have tests or quizzes, it's usually a pretty easy day as far as math goes. So you have to identify the geometric shapes, and I can tell you they're either sphere, pyramid, cylinder, hexagon, triangle, cube, pentagon, or cone. So you figure those out. You may need to listen to that again. And so just rewind it and listen again. The number 3, A, B, C, and D is follow the signs. Plus, minus, times, and times. You can do that. Don't forget to put your dollars and cents in those particular problems. Now, number 4, back to our fractions that you can reduce. So let's go over some of those. All right. So 9/15. There's only one that works. What one is that? Well, you can't use your 9. 9 doesn't go into 15 evenly, does it? So, what can both of those be divided by evenly? That would be 3. So that's the number you use. 6/9. Again, there's only one that works, and it's the same one for 9/15. But now we're on C, 6/12. And there are 3 different numbers. We know that 6, can 6 and 12 both be divided by 6? Yes, it can. And I'm sliding off into the sunset over here, so let me get this fixed. Nope, that's not working. Shoot. It's the leg that keeps... Hang on, let me see if I can fix this. The leg is sliding. Uncle Jim's back here trying to figure out what's going on. Are we even now? I think so. All right, so 6, you can divide 12 and 6 by 6, but that's the biggest number. So let's put our 6 over here. What else can you divide that by? Well, to get 6, it's 2 times 3. So both of those will divide 6 and 12. So 6, however, is your biggest number. So 6/12 divided by 6 over 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So that would equal 1/2. So keep working those. It gives you the number of spaces, so that tells you how many numbers you need. And then in number 5, you have to figure out what is the best number to use, and then use it and come up with the lowest terms like I did right here. So that's what you need to do in number 5. If you need help, give me a call. Then on number 6, you're going to write the products. Some of them are by 10, some are by 11. One's by 9, one's by 8, which you've studied all those. And there's even an 11 times 12, and I know you can get that. So there you go. And then number 7 is a bunch of Roman numerals, and you are to write out the Arabic number. So let's start with A, and it is X, X, I, X. So your X and X would give you 20. And your IX is 10 minus 1. So that's 9. So XXIX equals 29. And I know you can figure out the rest of them, and if you need to look up your Roman numerals, they're in the back of your book under Roman numerals. And then number 8, you're to put less than or greater than. We've done this a million times. If you are unsure about your measurements, go ahead and look in the back of your book, because that's where it tells you the measurements. And that's it. Then you will go ahead and do your quiz. There are no special instructions other than do your very, very, very best. Be sure to check over your work, and at the end of the day, turn that into the Dropbox. Okay? Have a great time. God bless you, and give you instant knowledge of everything you've studied. Amen. Bye.